rotor resistance starter. This rotor resistance starter always connected variable resistance is in the rotor circuit through slip ring. If the full load voltage is applied to the stator windings, the connection arrangement of the rotor resistance starter is shown on the PPT. At the instant of starting, the handle of variable resistance, the variable resistance in the sense a rheostat, is set to off position. This inserts maximum resistance in series with each phase of the rotor circuit. Look at the phase across connected in resistance, each phase consisting number of series resistance. That resistance are rotor circuit resistance. This reduces the starting current and at the same time starting torque is increased due to external rotor resistance. As the motor accelerates, the external resistance is gradually removed from the rotor circuit. When the motor attains rated speed, the handle is switched in the on position. This removes the whole external resistance from the rotor circuit. The slip ring induction motor are mainly used for driving high inertia load or the load which require a starting torque across the full speed range. By correctly selecting the starting resistor inserted into the rotor circuit, the maximum torque can be obtained from the motor at a relatively low starting current. The magnitude of starting torque is controlled by the value starting resistance. It has some advantages. Rotor resistance starter having some advantages. High starting torque may be obtained with this rotor resistance starter. Improve power factor of the motor. Absence of the current harmonic. Reduced starting current. Smooth and wide range of speed control is possible. The rotor resistance starter having some disadvantages. Lower efficiency due to the I square R loss. I square R loss in the sense copper loss. This copper loss always being in the external resistance connected in the rotor circuit. Then starter can only be used for starting a slip ring induction motor. Then finally it needs frequent maintenance due to presence of slip ring and carbon brushes. This is rotor resistance starter explanation with help of advantage and disadvantage. I hope this explanation is very useful to you towards of this rotor resistance starter.